that time, yeah, look well at time.
Loudmouth Larry's trip to the hotel. Larry had been looking forward to this trip for weeks. The drive was long, and he couldn't wait to stretch his legs. When the automatic doors opened, he took a big step inside and said, "Wow, look at this place." His voice echoed through the big lobby, and a few guests turned to look because he was too loud. At the front desk, the clerk smiled politely. "Welcome. Do you have a reservation?" Larry was excited. "Yes, we do. We are staying for 3 nights," he answered, loud enough for everyone to hear. His mom reminded him, "Larry, use your calm voice." He took a deep breath and tried again, softer this time. The clerk smiled. "Perfect. Thank you." Larry had to try again because he was too loud. The family rolled their suitcases to the elevator. Larry pressed the button and waited. When the doors opened, he shouted, "Finally!" and rushed in. Inside, he pressed almost every floor number. A woman nearby smirked and looked a little overwhelmed. The elevator echoed because he was too loud. When Larry entered the room, he looked around and said loudly, "This is awesome." He turned on the TV, opened the balcony door, and talked nonstop. His dad said, "Let's take a minute to settle down." Larry said sorry because he was too loud. Larry's suitcase wheels clacked loudly as he ran down the hallway. He called, "Come on, everyone, let's find our room." His voice bounced off the walls. A man opened his door to peek out because he was too loud. Later that day, Larry was ready for the pool. He jumped in with a big splash and shouted, "Cannonball." The splash hit a few people nearby. A lifeguard kindly reminded him, "Please walk and keep your voice down." Larry apologized because he was too loud. That evening, the family went downstairs for dinner. The restaurant was calm, with soft music playing. Larry got excited seeing the buffet. "They have pasta and dessert," he shouted. A few people turned around. His mom whispered, "Inside voice, Larry." He nodded, smiled, and said politely, "May I please have some pasta?" People turned their heads because he was too loud. After dinner, Larry wanted a souvenir. He looked at the shirts, keychains, and magnets. "Check this out," he said loudly while showing his dad a hat. The cashier smiled but held a finger to her lips. Larry grinned, remembering what he was supposed to say. He said sorry because he was too loud. That night, Larry turned on the TV and laughed out loud at his favorite show. A soft knock came at the door. His mom reminded him, "It's after 10 p.m., Larry. That means turn down your TV. He was going to yell, "Okay, Mom," in a minute, but instead he turned his TV off and said, "Good night, Mom." The next morning, Larry packed his suitcase and helped his parents bring their bags downstairs. At the front desk, he smiled at the clerk and said softly, "Thank you for having us. I had a great time." The clerk smiled back. "Thank you, Larry. You were a wonderful guest." He wasn't too loud this time. "Great job, Larry."
You're the radical time. Time to see you rock your love for your die. You said right, you said right, you said right, you said right, you bang your way.